Hey everybody, it's Eddie. Welcome to week 3 EDCI 6100, and in this video I'm going to do an overview, just go through the due dates real quick, recap of week 2, introduce week 3, and then give you some of the things that you can expect in the Zoom meetings that we're going to be doing this week. So first, just reviewing the due dates. What you worked on this past week was the research plan, and what's due on Sunday the 7th is your revisions based on feedback from your peers. And so and you needed to have 3 of your peers jump in. If 3 didn't jump in, no worries, I'll make sure that I'll go in there and take care of that. But if you did finish it early, then you would have emailed me and let me know, and then I could have gone back and done and given you my revisions. So the first week here is you going through and making sure you do the revisions from your peers. The second week here is me giving you my feedback for you to do revisions, and then you'll go ahead and complete them. Everything should always be in your Google Drive folder so that I can access it from there. You don't need to make a separate document or a new document. It does help me to just go through it on my own. It does help me to be able to go through your work on my own through your Drive. Now with week 2, the research plan that I mentioned is this one here, and as you go through, one of the best resources is the textbook that we're using, and make sure that you go back and look at those, but particularly look at the cases, because the cases really illuminate kind of the thought process behind the different steps. And going into week 3, you're going to see that on week 3, the only thing that's formally due is the discussion or the revisions that I give you. But what you need to do, and is also fundamental to the writing process, is going to be the article review template. And you want to do one of these for each of the items that, or for each of the studies that you're going to include in your actual literature review. And so it's kind of straightforward. You're going to have some questions, like you might ask me what the theoretical framework is, or you know, maybe you need a little bit more from just what came out in the textbook. But those are some of the things that we can cover in the Zoom meetings. So now going into the Zoom meetings, you only need to attend one session. I'm going to have different sessions this week from 6 to 7, on the 9th, Tuesday, from 6 to 7, and then another one from 7 to 8. If you come in late, it's not a big deal, but definitely you know, just wait until I give you the opportunity to answer questions. But really, when you come in, it shouldn't last more than 15 to 20 minutes for me to get the information across and for you to go walk away feeling successful. And then that goes the same for Thursday. Thursday is going to be from 6 to 7, one session, and then from 7 to 8. I also want to tell you that if you come in, say on Tuesday, and then you get started with your work, say you're doing the template, and you want to come back in for a meeting on Thursday, by all means come on by, and we can take care of your questions there. So almost consider them as an office hours where you can come in and ask questions. But I will have a couple things that we'll go through together. And the link for those is within the calendar, and then it's also within the announcements where you can click on the room for Zoom. If you need support or help with downloading Zoom, you can definitely reach out, and I can support you with that as well. So great job this past week. Look forward to meeting everybody face to face, and stay safe.